How to send XLM to Trezor Safe tree. Let's get started. So to do that, first you need to set up your Trezor Safe tree. So just follow the instructions and set up from the link of the Trezor. Then navigate to your XLM account. So open the suite and select the XLM account you want to receive funds to. And simply just generate a receiving address. Then carefully compare the address displayed in the Trezor suite with the one shown on your Trezor device screen. Then copy the verified address from the Trezor suite and paste it to the recipient field of your exchange or wallet when initiating the XLM withdrawal. Then make sure to include the destination tag. So if it's required, this is what the destination tag is. Simply just turn this on, and this is the destination tag or the memo. So simply just turn that on if it's required. Then complete the transaction. So follow the instructions provided by your exchange or wallet to finalize the XLM transfer. So basically, let's follow these steps right here, and that's how you can send XLM to Treasure Safe 3.